Hello, I'm trying to show you a little bit about how to put these frames together, so I'll record it and do a few. First, let's start. This is what we purchased, and you see that both this side and this side are rigid, very strong, very hard, and can't come apart easy. You guys were trying to use a box cutter. Typically, this is what we get, something like this. And if you look on the side, there's a little small groove on here, and this actually snaps off real easy. You can even do it with your hand. And then this little groove right here is where we put the wax foundation. And the wax foundation has these little pieces of metal that are at 90 degrees, and they go in there, and after they bend in there, we then take this over the top of them and nail it in, and then it's very strong. So we can't do it with this. So what are these used for, and why do they do that? Well, there's a second kind of foundation you can get. I don't particularly like them. I don't think the bees like them. This is called Rite foundation, and if you see, it's like plastic. It's really hard, not nice and soft, and made of wax, which is more natural for the bees. Now, the nice thing about this is the bees can't poke holes in here. This is super strong. But because it's so strong, you can just put it down into this groove here without nailing it down. It's very rigid. And then on the sides, you can put the little pins to hold it in place. Now, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to take all of these pieces and I'm going to try to cut a groove out in them like this so you can put the wax foundations and give them back to you. The problem is the table saw is not square, it's round, so I'll have to end previous to this and then somehow either cut this by hand or a Dremel or something else. So I'll do my best so that you guys can use these. The other thing is the table saw has some thickness, so more than likely this piece of wood will be gone. It'll be turned into sawdust. It won't be like this. So I'll grab another set of wood and I'll try to cut a bunch of strips like this for you so that you can use it. So we'll see how good this goes. Hopefully this is a useful video here.